Okay, welcome to week 2 of the second quarter of English 12. We're moving right along. We've already read what they call the first book in A Tale of Two Cities. A Tale of Two Cities contains 3 separate books. That's how Dickens has separated it. So we've read the first book in week 1, and now we're moving on to the second book and the first 4 chapters of the second book. And that's what you'll be assigned to read this week. We're going to focus on personification, foreshadowing, and description because this book is full of all 3 of those things, but it's most famous for the foreshadowing. Some of the images and the metaphors that you will see at the very beginning of the book will predict some of the events that will happen later. So watch for that. It's definitely when English teachers want to teach foreshadowing, this is one that has that very clearly, and it's very interesting, and it makes the book really fun and mysterious, and it gives it a whole feeling of closure by the end. Anyway, this book is just full of so many good things to teach, but foreshadowing is high on the list. So watch this presentation on foreshadowing and personification. You will be tested on this in the quizzes later on, and you'll be writing about it as well. And then you'll complete this assignment, the description word web, where you will look at some specific parts and descriptions in the novel and compare them. So follow those directions. Then you will have a quiz. This will be on book 1, chapters 1 through 6, the whole book 1, and book 2, chapters 1 through 4. So there's a tier 1 and a general quiz. They're basically the same. And then you'll have an essay portion of that quiz in a separate assignment link where you will write a 1-paragraph essay following the essay prompt. Remember what we learned last quarter, and this just builds on it. A nice argumentative topic sentence. Make sure you are bringing in evidence by the way of direct quotes from the book. Make sure I know and can clearly tell that you've read the book and that you're not just guessing or adding vague arguments. Make sure they're clear and they have some direct quotes to back it up that you explain. So you'll have a quiz and then a short writing assignment. Then you're going to review commonly confused words. Make sure you take this. That will really help you with your writing, and it's kind of just a fun quiz. And then at the end of the week, you're going to want to update your reading log. For the Tier 1 group, you will have a reading log that you will submit to me this week, and I will grade it. For the general group, I just want you to go back to the reading log that you began in week 1 and update it, because it is not due until week 3, and then I will grade weeks 1 through 3 on your reading log. And that's it for week 2. So let me know if you have any questions.